welcome back, guys, to the channel Ola Opulence, and also welcome back to the Opulence Cave again. Today I got another nice, super wonderful unboxing for you guys today. This particular one, it is something that I've been waiting to add to my collection for a while, and when I got the opportunity to add it, I did. It's a very, very nice sneaker, in my opinion, that I feel that it's something that every Jordan fan should have in their collection. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want this wonderful bangers we're dropping for you guys, if you're into fashion, lifestyle, sneaker, anything to do with men's fashion, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you slap that like button and comment in the section below. So let's get straight to it. So right here you can see I've got a Jordan box right there. It is not your typical Jordan box. It is the Jordan 4 SB box right there. As you know, if you look at it, you'll see the SB on the side over there. Okay, and on next to that you can see the sizing right there, which says my size in a size 10. Okay, so yeah, so you already know it is a cream box. The Jordan SB box usually comes in like a cream box when it comes to Jordan 4. For me, I love the box. There's nothing really much to say about the box. It's a cream box, shiny box. It's not your typical Jordan 4 box. But without further ado, let's check this nice looking baby out. Okay, guys. All right, let me flip the lid open. Woo! All right, the lid is right there. It's got the shiny glossy gray inside right there. Okay, I'll put that to the side, and as you can see the splatter paper over there, right there. Okay, so yeah, look at that. It's upside down. I'm gonna turn it the other way so you guys can see what I'm saying. You see it? It's the Jordan 4 Pine Greens. Yes, this one for me, I've been waiting for a very, very long time to add it to my collection. Okay, guys, are you ready for this? You ready? You ready? Bam! You see it right there? You see it? It's the Jordan 4 Pine Greens. Man, this is something that I love. It's a really, really nice looking Jordan 4, and I'm so excited to add it to my collection. So I did get this one from eBay. You can see their eBay authentication guarantee tag right there that states it is a authentic sneaker. So yeah, it's on the pricey side, but the Pine Greens, man, I just had to do it, man. I waited for a while, to do it, but I just had to do it. So I'm gonna take it out the box. Let me take it out of the box right there. The other foot. Okay, so you can see the inside right there, the box, just the splatter paper, and there's a little paper right there on the bottom, and then you have that green kind of sticker that it always comes with right there. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and then we can start with the material and sizing. Okay, right, guys, I'll put this to the side. So for me, absolutely wonderful, and it is lovely. Let's start from the bottom right there. You can see the bottom right there. You can see the gum sole at the end, and in the middle you see the all white pods all going all the way to the front toe right there, and it's got the gum bottom in the front. I mean, typically this according to Nike, they have reworked it to be a little more comfortable than your usual Jordan 4. So for me, I feel, especially because the pinky toe, when it comes to Jordan 4, everybody knows it is notorious. You know, it kind of like kills your toe, that your pinky toe. You know, so I'm happy that they've kind of reworked a little bit to make it a little more comfortable. I really like that. So I mean, obviously I haven't tried it on to see if it's truly comfortable, but I will be trying it on, you know. And then back to the bottom, you see the red right there in the red Nike right there in the middle. It has white. It's mostly, the bottom is mostly white. There's no mix apart from the gum sole on the front foot and the back foot right here. And then the midsole is white. You see the air right there. It's the inside is red, and you've got a green on the midsole mixed with the white, you know, and the green also right there. So the mudguard is in a gray suede, which is a nice suede. It's a short hair suede. I'm gonna bring it a little closer so you guys can see what the suede is looking like. You know, the front also here too has the front of the midsole's got the white there as well, just, you know, on top of the gum sole, showing from all the way to the bottom to the front foot right there. For me, it's just a must have, you know. And on the front of the front toe right there, you got that in the cream leather. Compared to the navy SB midnight navy SB, this is not a pure white. This is a cream leather right there, and you can see the side netting right as well. You see that cream still all on there, and then you have the green waffle eyelids on the top and on the front and on the top of the lacing system right there. You got your white laces. Is that a white or a cream? Actually, it's a white. So it's a white lace right there, and you got the red Jumpman that says on the bottom flight right there, and then on the back of the tongue right there, it's got the green, and you can see the Air Jordan as usual right in there. And on the back, which is the Nike SB right there, it's got the white swoosh with the Nike SB. And then wow, this, you see this pull tab right here, it is so nice. You know, it's not, you know, like the normal Jordan 4, they're notorious for kind of like messing with your with your Achilles heels, that your back. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about. You know, if you wore Jordan 4 often, you know, but typically for me, I don't really have a problem with it. But a lot of people do complain that they have issues with that particular area. So on the inside, it's all white right there, apart from the sock liner, which is red right there, and it's got the Nike. It says Nike SB Air inside, right there. So this one I believe it came from out of the country. So I think, to be precise, it's Japan or something like that, because they have their sizing in there. I don't know how to read their sizing, but it's just right in there. So we have authenticated this, obviously, because, you know, it's from eBay, and they've authenticated before sending it to me. And I'm really happy I was able to get this, because I've been waiting for a while to get it in my collection. And if you look on the side, kind of like a waffle eyelid that has the green on top, and the cream is really soft rubber. It's not like the typical plastic, because normally this part right here is plastic, but I think they made this very soft because of skating, so it'll be comfortable, you know. And I'm really looking forward to trying this pair on to see how comfortable it feels, you know. Yeah, so far that's what we're working with. So I'll give you a 360 so you can see what that looks like. So that's the front right there, you know, and the side and the other side and the back. Okay, so as usual, I am going to be doing a unfit for you guys to see exactly what that looks like. So stay tuned. Also, I'm going to be doing a the midnight navies as well. It's over there somewhere, right there. Oh, yeah, right there. So and I've got a lot of bangers coming up for you guys. I'm going to be dropping. I'm also going to be doing the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds as well, the Chicago's. So that is coming up as well. I've got a lot of, you know, bangers for you guys. So make sure you watch out for that, and make sure, again, tell me what you think about the Jordan 4 Pine Greens. If it's something that you definitely will be adding to your collection, is it a cut for you? Is it a pass? Especially because of what the resale is saying right now on the Pine Greens. So let me know if you feel it's worth the resale or if you feel it's not worth the resale. So yeah, so that's about it. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Turn on your notification button to know when I upload a new video. And with that said, all the opulence out.